turning from the perimeter track onto the north end of runway 19, expecting to find it deserted, but it turned out there was some sort of motor rally in progress. Setting off down runway 24, initially it's very overgrown down the centre, but after a few metres opens up to its full width. Pausing for a look down what was runway 11 and turning round to look down runway 29 before continuing down runway 24. So I don't know, about halfway along this runway, suddenly spotted this little mound, so I'm going to climb up it and film back the length of the runway that I've just walked. And there it is. Be great to get a Cessna in there, wouldn't it? And that's the direction I'm going next, hoping to find the control tower quite soon off to the left. Not 100% sure what this structure is. It must surely post-date the use of the runway. I really wanted to find the control tower. I was just starting to wonder if I'd got it wrong, because all I could see was those modern buildings, and then through this gap in the trees, here we are. Guessing there's going to be no chance whatsoever of getting into it. Not that one could see out, because the windows seem to be all bricked up.